Welcome to the Industry Bulletin. In this edition, we bring you key highlights from the Indian insurance sector as reported by Business Standard in December 2025. The Indian insurance industry has reached a historic milestone. For the first time, both life and non-life insurance segments have recorded over 20% premium growth in November of financial year 2026. Life insurance led the momentum, reporting a new business premium of over 31,100 crore rupees, marking a strong year-on-year growth of 23% in November. Non-life insurance growth accelerated even further. Premium collections touched nearly 26,900 crore rupees, reflecting a robust year-on-year growth of 24.17%. LIC continued to dominate the life insurance space. It recorded a significant 35% growth in new business premiums, while private insurers posted a comparatively modest growth of 12.5%. Growth was particularly pronounced in group business. Individual premiums rose by 26.4%, while group insurance surged by an impressive 49%, reflecting renewed corporate demand. Policy sales also rebounded strongly. November witnessed a 48.44% year-on-year increase with over 2.2 million policies sold, indicating renewed confidence among consumers. Importantly, the overall contraction in policy sales for FY26 has narrowed significantly. The decline has reduced to 2.74% from nearly 8% in the previous period. This growth has been driven by two key factors: the reduction of GST on insurance premiums from 18% to 0%, and favorable base effects compared to the previous year.